This is Rose District. GAL, I've never seen this in person before. I think it's the same college church I've never had. Oh. There it is. This was something old. US or Monty from the looks of it. Normal JetPlus. And the emergency lights on, that's fun. Oh, this is a Lagerquist. Interesting. Here we go. Here at 3. That was weird. VR here or normal JetPlus? I like the VR. I have no clue what this was. Let's see if we go anywhere. Nope. Let's go to 1. Your COP 2,000 pound capacity. GAL JetPlus buttons within 88 phone. Again, let's say Lagerquist. Very interesting. Interesting cab. I like it. Very interesting. I don't know why the emergency light's on. Here at 1. Nice. There it goes.